Hi everyone, today we're going to be making some ragaliki, and to that we're going to need only 3 ingredients, which is butter, cream cheese, and flour. And so in our mixer bowl with a paddle attachment, let's beat our butter and for about 2 minutes, and then pieces by pieces we're going to throw in our cream cheese until it's nice, combined, and creamy. You do not need to add sugar in this because your filling will be sweet. And so here's our mixture already. We're going to add in our 2 cups of flour, and then you're just going to need to adjust. As you can see, it's all incorporated very good, and it's not sticking to my hands, so which is great. So it's good to work with dough. And then we're going to cover it with plastic food wrap. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, but you can do longer. It's not going to be bad. And then so we're going to take it out and cut it in fourths. Take one piece and roll it into a circle, and then we're going to cut it like a pizza shape. Put in our filling, and I'm going to be using some dried prunes, or dried cranberries and prunes, and some jam, which is I'm using black currant, and some sugar to sweeten it up. Then we're gonna close it up, roll it up, put on baking sheet 350 for about 10-15 minutes, or until lightly golden. So here it is, already delicious. As you can see, all those flakiness from the butter and the cream cheese. It's so good, guys. They're very delicious. Please like and subscribe. Till next time.